Now we're going to be taking a look at the Smart Drop and Drop Objects tool, which are really kind of neat. And let's go ahead and add in just a few objects to our scene to sort of demonstrate this. And I'm just going to do a few random objects. It doesn't have to be anything specific. And the first thing I'm going to show you is the Drop tool, which will allow us to drop these objects onto the closest object, or the highest object that it'll hit. So if we go ahead and select Drop Object, which is left mouse clicking on this bottom button down here, we'll drop this sphere directly onto our cone. And if we select Drop Object with the cube, then it drops directly on the ground plane. And that's pretty much how our drop objects work. But our Smart Drop is a little more advanced. So let's go ahead and change our objects just a little. I'm going to grab onto this handle up to the top and just sort of stretch this down. We're not using the sizing, we're actually using our handles that are available. And I'm also going to use size and sort of increase it, make it just a little bit larger so we have sort of a flat type plane, just a thin box. And I'm going to add our objects and just drop those to the ground. And we're going to move this one off to the side just a little and up. And now we're going to select our box object, our cube, and right mouse click on that drop object, which is the Smart Drop. And you can see the way the Smart Drop works is a little bit different. It actually works how it would sort of react in gravity if this actual object was dropping onto another one. So the Smart Drop actually takes the overall size of our object and the overall surface area of our object and drops it on objects appropriately how it would actually look in real life if we were to drop that sort of object onto another one. So very cool tools within Vue.